We are now going to do a bingo distributor registration. You will go to our Kansas Web Tax website and you will use your user ID and password to log in. If you do not have a user ID and password to this site, please click the Register Now button. You will go to the registration page and you will fill out all the necessary fields to create yourself a user ID and a password to enter the Web Tax website. Once you get down to your primary use for the site, you may check the Tax, File, and Pay option. Then you may go down here on Send Me an Email When and choose if you want an email for each one of these items. If not, you may uncheck them. When you are finished, go ahead and hit the Continue button. It will then take you to a page that says to either continue within the Web Tax website or you may choose to log in later. If you choose to log in later, please remember your user ID and your password. You will go back to the login screen and you will use your user ID and password you created to log into Web Tax. Once you have entered, you will see a page like this. You will choose Business Accounts. In here you will see all of your accounts that you have through the Kansas Web Tax system. To create a distributor registration, you will go to the bottom where it says Add an Account to this logon. You will then choose the last option that says if you want to register a new bingo account, click here. The type of registration is a distributor. From here, you will type in all the necessary information. If your mailing address is the same as the business location address, you will check the box and it will fill in all the necessary fields for you. Also, the contact person, you may use the business location address or the mailing address as your address. Here you will list the offices, manufacturing, or locations that you may have. You can either manually add them with the addresses and click Save, or if you have them listed in an Excel spreadsheet saved as a comma-delimited file, you may click the Upload button. From here you will hit the Browse button. You will find where your comma-delimited file is and select it to be in this text box here. You will then click Upload to upload the file. Once you upload the file, all the addresses should be listed below. If you find one that you would like to delete, just click the checkbox and select Delete Selected. If the address is in error, you may click Edit and it will take you back to the address page where you may edit the address at any time. Once you have entered all the addresses, you may click Continue. Here you will list the owners, partners, corporate officers, or directors. Again, you may manually add them or you can upload them using an Excel spreadsheet saved as a comma-delimited file. Once you have completed all the information, you may click Save. Again, if you need to delete one of the lines, you may hit the checkbox and hit Delete Selected. If you need to edit any of the information, you will click the Edit button. Once you have entered all the owners, partners, corporate officers, or directors, you may hit Continue. The next is the list of employees. You manually add them. And you may click Save. If you need to delete an employee at any point in time, you will check the box and hit Delete Selected. If you want to edit any of the information that you have entered, you may click the Edit link. Once you have added all of the employees or uploaded the file of employees using a comma-delimited file in Excel, you may hit Continue. You will come to the Review page. You'll see all the information that you've entered and review it. If you need to change anything at any point in time, you may hit the back button to the page that you need to edit, and you will change your information and continue forward again. If everything is correct, you'll hit the Continue button. You will come to the payment screen. You may either pay by ACH debit or check with a voucher. If you choose ACH debit, the day the payment will come out is listed below. You may put in your bank routing number, your account number, and the account type. If you do not wish to save your bank information on this site, please check the box and hit continue. If you choose to use a check with a voucher, you will check the box, then you will hit continue. You'll review your information one last time and the payment information. You will select the person that is doing this registration and check the box that says I certify that it's true, correct, and a complete initial application, and hit continue. This will take you to the confirmation page. Since we chose to pay with a voucher, you will view your voucher at this time. You will print this page off and mail it in to 915 Southwest Harrison. You will mail both vouchers in with your check. Once you have done that, you may close the window and you may want to print your confirmation page for your records. Once you're finished, you may log out. And that concludes your bingo distributor registration.